Welcome back, everyone. We are so happy to see you here soon. There are a lot of changes that have taken place over the summer, and we are currently working on some of those right now. We're working on the class assignments. Where will you end up? Find out soon. There is a lot of other changes happening too on the playground, and we want to take you out and give you a little preview of those changes. So, as you can see, things look a little different out here. The first thing they did that everybody's going to notice right away is that we have a new handball wall. It's amazing, it's so cool and ready for you. They've painted new lines on the floor. The bungalows are gone. And we have a field that soon will have some turf on it that you all will be able to play on. But if you notice, there's a fence around it right now because it's not quite ready. The other thing I wanted to point out is that on the floors, we have some numbers painted. Those are your room numbers, and they go in a U. When you get here the first day of school, you're gonna look for your number and go line up at that number and wait for your teacher. So next I wanted to bring you into our teacher's lounge, the newly remodeled teacher's lounge. I think it's really important for you to be able to see this because parents are such an important part to our community. The parents worked collaboratively last year to come up with this beautiful design, and the project was actually founded by our foundation. So that to me just speaks volumes, and it's why parent involvement is so important at Glen Oaks. So in the coming weeks, you're going to see membership folders or envelopes coming from the PTA. Make sure you sign up and join our PTA. The foundation will do an ask. Please make sure if you can to donate to our foundation. And lastly, get involved with our JEDI committee. All three work collaboratively with me, with the community, and enrich our lives here. It is so important for you to be involved, for you to be contributing any way you can, with hours, with time, with money, however you can. We would appreciate anything that you can give to our school. So with that said, here are a few important dates for you. Remember, the first day of school is Wednesday, August 16th. Come on in, arrive at 8 a.m., line up. Parents, you are welcome to walk the students to their lines and walk them to their class, but once it's time for you to go, you'll have to say goodbye. Can't wait for you to come here, meet your new friends, see your teacher, and get to see our beautiful campus. Right after that, on Thursday, August 17th, is our back to school night. There are two separate times. 4th through 6th grade, your time is 6 p.m. TK through 3rd grade, your time is 6:45 p.m. Remember that this event is only for parents, no children allowed, okay? Please, 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 only for parent event. And then the last date I'd like you to remember is Friday, because Friday is actually a minimum day. You'll get the schedules and the times for all of that again through an email. You'll get it posted on our Instagram. It'll probably be on our Facebook. It'll be on Parent Square. You'll find it everywhere. But more information to come, but please keep those dates in mind. So, thank you. Looking forward to seeing you here again on Wednesday, August 16th.